Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another candlestick psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So yes, let me see what's going on here. That looks like a reversal is coming up on the 200 EMA. But we are here still in the trend channel. Yes, okay, we are breaking now out of the trend channel. And that's a good opportunity to do a put here. Yes, I will do a put at this level because I'm sure that price will not move up in this kind of case. Yes, price will closing below this level, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a put, because this candle is too huge in comparison to the other ones. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm expecting that price will retrace down below my entry point. So as you see, price is going down, yes, because it was too extended, too extended, yes, and that's the reason why I entered into a put there. So let's see what's going on here. On the next candle, I will do now a put again, yes, because I understood from the rejection from the previous candle that price is not ready to break through the 20 EMA, and that price will reverse most probably there. We have here also some kind of support and resistance level. Here you see how it acts. Here's resistance, support, breakout. Yes, this was a fake breakout of this area, which shows that this is a nice area, and that's the reason why I entered here into a put, because this wick here is showing me selling pressure, and I'm expecting now that price will close below my entry point. So let's see. Yes, price is going down in the expiration time, like I have explained in the 7th edition ebook. Yes, if you have in the purchase time an upwards movement, you will have a downtrend movement or a downward movement in the expiration time. But this is, in my opinion, nothing else than only a retracement. And that's the reason why I'm doing a call below the closing price of the previous candle, because I'm sure that price will go against the 20 EMA again. Yes, because this previous candle was only a retracement of this upcoming uptrend. And you see price is moving right, yes, doing some kind of panic too, yes, but still this price is going against my trade still in the purchase time. It's not the problem. The problem is if it moves first of all up, then you can expect that it will go down in the expiration time. But in this case, it will move first of all down in the purchase time. Then you can expect that it goes more up in the expiration time. That is what I'm expecting, and I'm sure that this will be in the money. And because I have chosen the entry point below the closing price of the previous candle, like I have explained in the 7th edition ebook, yes, and also in the price action Bible, I was sure that this would be in the money. So that was already again. Yes, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.